All right, hey, Josh, Attica Lumber here. Let's try this again here. 40 by 40, you can see here, beautiful setting. You can see on a hill. Actually, an eccentric surgeon built this home back, I believe, in the 40s or 50s. No longer lives here, but beautiful backdrop here. You can see the river in the background, and we'll get there. You can see the guys here, they're putting on the roof. You see how organized, the layout, and so forth. They're getting everything prepped here. The mono trusses, but they're putting on the roof steel right now. But let's check out a few details of this building. Beautiful, beautiful setting as we pan around here. Check this out here. And then we'll go back there and we'll check out the river as well. But a couple details here, as you can see as I walk up on this building. Notice a few things here. Notice the 6x6 post. Then also notice the 3-ply laminated columns as well. So 6x6 post, you can see there, and then the 3-ply laminated columns. And if we look over here on the truss setup right here, this is actually MSR machine strength rated lumber, 2x6 bottom core trusses with the top core trusses. The vapor barrier's been installed. Obviously the guys are putting on the roof. You probably can hear them. And header right here, 2x12 header to support the truss. Support the trusses there, and then right there got the header all set up, ready to go for the overhead door as well. You can see early on in this building stages right here, but everything is meticulously organized. You can see the guys have this building ready and prepped. But it's going to be actually a 12-foot porch coming off the back end. Actually, this would be the north end. Actually, we're not too far actually from lake area, about 15 minutes from lake area. But anyway, this is the river that feeds in the lake area. But let me go through here and show you kind of the setup, what you can do on your property and so forth. But yeah, there you go, beautiful setting. Let's pan around a little bit over here. But yeah, you can see the guys up here knocking out the roof section here. But I'll come back and we'll show you a finished video of this project as well. But for more information, you can visit atticalumber.com. You can call us 409-426-BARN. Attica Lumber since 1925.